Hello children, today we are going to see the second chapter. The name of the chapter is A Gift of Chapels. Okay, do you like to get or give gifts? Yes, everybody likes. Am I right? Why do we give gifts? Actually, there are many reasons people buy or give gifts. First and foremost is a tradition to give gifts on occasions like New Year, birthday, and wedding, etc. Alright, we see the lesson. A Gift of Chapels by Vasanta Surya. Vasanta Surya is a journalist, translator, and poet. Her stories for the young have appeared in Junior Quest, The Hindu Young World, and Chatterbox. The story is about the mischievous. What does mean by mischievous? Naughty, playful, and simplicity. Simplicity means innocence of children's behavior. Behavior means attitude. They wish to explore, they wish to seek, they wish to investigate every aspect but act according to their own logic. The characters are Mridu, Meena, Ravi, Lalli, Thappi. Thappi means grandmother in Tamil. Tata, grandfather in Tamil. Rukumani, music master, beggar, MP Pune. Basically talks about the girl whose name is Mridu. She lives with her Thappi and Tata. Now you must be wondering what is Thappi and what is Tata. Am I right? Thappi is grandmother in Tamil. Tata is grandfather in Tamil. Mridu lives with her grandparents. One fine day, Mridu's grandmother asks and tells that today we are going to your aunt's place, and the name of the aunt is Rukmani. Lalli, Ravi, Meena are Mridu's cousins. They were excited to see Mridu. They shared secrets with Mridu. This is what happens in the first part. Before going to the chapter, just imagine you are visiting your cousins. And what happens? Your cousins get excited to see you. Am I right? Similarly happened with Ravi. Ravi got excited to see Mridu. Ravi pulled Mridu inside. Why are you pulling so fast? Wait, I take off my slippers and come. See, set them out neatly. While keeping her slippers, she notices. What she notices? She notices these black slippers with the marks of toes. Marks of toes shows that they are very old, very worn out. She did not think about that whose slippers they were. She just went inside. Ravi took Mridu to the backyard. Her cousins Ravi and Meena were very excited. They wanted to tell her a secret. The secret was about a kitten. They were telling a whole story. A very small kitten lapping up milk from a half coconut shell. You see that there will be a coconut shell. They were giving milk in the coconut shell. Meena and Ravi found it outside the gate mewing. They were telling their cousins that this morning we found the cat outside. It was mewing and mewing. So we took the cat. Meena tells Mridu that it is a secret. Meena warned, if Patti, grandmother, comes to know the secret, she will leave the kitten to our Patu Mama's house. Ravi describes the problems. People always tell us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. So Ravi was facing the problem while keeping the kitten. Now the next problem Ravi tells us, it was so hard to get little milk from kitchen. Ravi is struggling to get little milk from kitchen. What happens? Ravi wants to feed the cat. Party saw him with a glass of milk. She looked suspiciously. So he had to drink most of the milk. He drank some of the milk. He has to show that he is actually drinking the milk and he is not taking it anywhere. Party wanted the tumbler back. Ravi said that I will wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? Ravi rushed out to feed the kitten. He also told Mridu that they have named the kitten as Mahendran. Mridu loved the name because it sounded real unlike those cats ones you keep for the kittens. Ravi further added that its complete name was Mahendravarma Pallava Punai and MP Punai in short. He informed her he could make it from its fur that it was a fine breed cat, a close relative of lion family, like the one that Pallava kings used in their emblem. To this, Mridu giggled, laughed, which investigated Ravi to prove his knowledge about the history further. On his school trip to Mahabalipuram, he had seen statue of a lion and he firmly believes that it was the ancestor. What is meant by ancestor? Person in our family who lived a long time before you. Ancestor of the kitten. He proudly announced that his small kitten is the descendant. What is meant by descendant? A person who belongs to the same family. Descendant of Mahabalipuram, Rishi cat. He reminded Mridu of cats being worshipped in ancient Egypt. He believed it to be a descendant of cat goddesses. Ravi was busy in making all proud announcements about the kitten when a weird sound, strange, unusual sound, screech, came from the window. Mridu was shocked while Mahendran was frightened. Mahendran jumped with fear on a tray or red chilies kept under the sun for drying. So far you have learned Chapter 2, Part 1. Based on that, I have given 5 questions. I have given page number also to find answer. Thank you.